You will not want to let this home pass you by. It has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully fenced-in backyard, a full basement, and so much more. The home has been totally remodeled, sporting brand new flooring, a high-efficiency furnace, water heater and windows, and a fresh coat of paint throughout. The craftsmanship is superb. The master bedroom is spacious, and with 4 remaining bedrooms, you could even have a craft room or home office. The kitchen has brand new oak cabinets to meet all of your storage needs. The living room and dining room are joined together by a charming arched doorway. Rounding things out, there is a full basement and detached garage.